Hey there, my friend. It's Henry here. Let me start with a funny story today. Last week, I was in a small coffee shop. I wanted a cold brew. A simple drink, right? But when I said it, the barista looked confused. She said, "Cold? What? Bread?" I laughed. She laughed. And finally, I said it slowly. Cold. Brew. Ah, yes. Now she understood. Has this happened to you, too? You say something. You feel sure. It sounds right in your head. But the other person looks at you like you just said, banana rocket ship. It happens to everyone learning English. Everyone. Even teachers. Even me. So today, we fix that. Today, we make pronunciation clear. Today, we speak with confidence. By the end of this episode, you will have simple, real steps to sound clearer, more natural, and more confident in English, fast. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and enjoy the podcast. Introduction. Henry's story and welcome. Welcome back to Confident English Cast. I'm your host, Henry, and I am so happy you are here today. I have taught English for 25 years. I have met thousands of learners. And do you know what most learners want? Clear pronunciation, strong pronunciation, confident pronunciation, because pronunciation helps everything. People understand you. You feel brave. You feel free. When I was learning Spanish many years ago, I had the same problem you have. I could read. I could listen. But when I spoke, oh no. Everything sounded strange. I didn't sound like the people around me, and that made me shy. So I spent years finding simple tricks, easy tricks, tricks that work for everyone. Kids, adults, beginners, advanced learners. Today, I will share the best ones with you. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps us grow, and it brings more English learning to more people. All right? Ready? Let's begin. Topic introduction. What we'll learn today. Today's topic is powerful. Perfect your English pronunciation. Fast, with 7 simple tips. Why does this matter? Because pronunciation is the bridge between your mind and other people. Your words live inside you. Pronunciation carries those words to the world. Good pronunciation helps you. Speak clearly. Feel confident. Make friends. Succeed at work. Enjoy conversations. Reduce fear. Reduce confusion. Sound more natural. And the best part? You do not need a perfect accent. You do not need to sound American. You do not need to sound British. You only need to be clear. Clear is enough. Clear is beautiful. Clear is powerful. So let's learn together. Main explanation. The simple idea. Pronunciation is not just sound. Pronunciation is movement. Your mouth moves. Your lips move. Your tongue moves. Your breath moves. Think of pronunciation like a small workout, like exercise for your mouth. If you move your mouth the same way every day, the sound becomes easy, natural, automatic. Today's tips help you. Train mouth movement. Train ear listening. Train sound rhythm. Train stress. Train confidence. You don't need long lessons. You need short habits, small steps, every day. Let's go. The 7 tips that actually work. Tip 1. Slow down your words. Speak slowly. Not too slow. Just slower than usual. Why? Because slow is clear. Slow is controlled. Slow helps your mouth shape sounds correctly. Example. Instead of saying quickly, "Where are you going?" Try, "Where are you going?" You feel the sound. You control the sound. Do this for 1 week, and you will hear the change. Okay? Good. Tip 2. Open your mouth. More. Many learners keep their mouth small. Too small. But English needs space. Open your mouth. Relax your jaw. Lift your cheeks. Let the sound come out. Try this. Say the word cat. If your mouth is small, it sounds flat. If your mouth opens, you get a strong, bright A sound. Cat, cat, cat. Simple, right? Tip 3. Practice stress. 1 strong word. English has stress. 1 word in a sentence is stronger. For example, I want coffee. I want coffee. Just change the strong word, and the meaning changes. Try it. I really like it. I really like it. I like it. This makes your speech natural and confident. Tip 4. Shadow native speakers. Shadowing means copying someone exactly. Not long, just 30 seconds. Find a short video, a podcast, or a movie clip. Play 3 seconds. Repeat. Play 3 more seconds. Repeat. You copy the rhythm. You copy the stress. You copy the sound. Do this every day. Just 30 seconds. It works fast. Tip 5. Record yourself. And listen. Recording is magic. You don't hear your mistakes when you talk, but you hear them when you listen. Take your phone. Record 10 seconds. One simple sentence. Example: today is a good day. Or, I love learning English. Listen. Ask, do I sound clear? What sounds strong? What sounds weak? This builds awareness. Awareness builds confidence. Tip 6. Use anchor words. Anchor words are strong, easy words you say perfectly, like yes, no hello thank you, okay, really good right. These words help your mouth reset. They make your speech smoother. Example: okay, I think we should go. Right, let's start working. Good, I understand now. Practice your anchor words until they feel strong and clear. Tip 7. Learn the music, not the IPA. You don't need phonetic symbols. You need rhythm. English is music. English has beat. English has flow. Listen to a sentence. Clap the rhythm. Tap your hand. Move your head. Try this. How are you today? Clap. How are you today? You feel the pattern. You feel the music. This rhythm makes your speech natural, and you learn it faster than rules. Small progress. Milestones. Let's talk about your progress. What happens when you follow these tips? After day. Your mouth feels more open. Your sound is a little clearer. You feel more aware of your voice. You notice stress in sentences. Just one day, small but important. After 1 week, you speak more slowly. Your words feel controlled. You catch mistakes quickly. Native speakers understand you more often. You feel more confident when talking. 1 week of small steps equals big change. After 1 month, your pronunciation becomes natural. Your stress patterns improve. Your rhythm sounds like real English. People say, "Wow, your English is so clear." You enjoy speaking English. You trust yourself. This is the goal. Confidence, clarity, freedom. You can reach it. I believe in you. Motivational encouragement. Let me tell you something important. Pronunciation is not a test. Pronunciation is not a competition. Pronunciation is not about being perfect. It is about being brave. You are learning a new sound system. That is not easy. But you are doing it. Every minute, every practice, every word. Think of yourself as a musician. Every day, you tune your instrument. Every day, you get closer to the perfect note. Or think of yourself as a traveler. You walk one step, then another step, then another. And slowly, the long road becomes your road. Your English journey is the same. You don't need to rush. You don't need to worry. You just need to keep going. I am proud of you. Truly proud. Practical, daily life applications. Here is how you can use these skills in real life. At a cafe, say slowly, "I would like a coffee, please." Open your mouth. Use stress on coffee. In a taxi, shadow a short phrase like, "Please take me to the main station." Feel the rhythm. At a supermarket, use anchor words. Okay. Right. Good. Thank you. With friends, record a short message. Listen later. Notice your progress. At work, practice stress. I need this today. Or, we must finish this now. Each situation helps you improve. Each real moment builds the skill. Quick recap. 7 simple tips. Let's repeat the main ideas. Short, clear, easy. Slow down. Slow makes clear sound. Open your mouth. English needs space. Use stress. One strong word helps meaning. Shadow speakers. Copy rhythm and flow. Record yourself. Listen and improve. Use anchor words. Reset your sound. Feel the music. English has rhythm. That's it. 7 simple tools. 7 powerful habits. My friend, you are doing great. You are learning. You are growing. You are improving every day. Pronunciation takes time. But you have the heart. You have the mind. You have the courage. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You need clear English. And you are already on the right path. Thank you for spending time with me today. Thank you for trusting me with your English journey. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps this podcast reach more learners around the world. Come back anytime you need help, motivation, or support. I am always here for you. Until next time, stay confident, stay brave, and keep speaking English. This is Henry from Confident English Cast. Goodbye, my friend. See you soon.